here in Dumfries to look at the installation of the Ideal Heating Logic Air air source heat pump installed by 0800 Repair.
I've been installing heat pumps for 15 years now, all over the UK. Very similar properties to the one behind us. As you can see, it's a very old property, 200-year-old, so the fabric first approach by reducing the heat loss by installing internal wall insulation and loft insulation. You make that box very well insulated, therefore the energy you put in is retained, and it costs the customer very little to run.
So as we transition towards the net zero carbon future of 2050, the Logic Air has been designed for the UK market. One of the features being if your design temperature is at -3, is we've got very little drop-offs. So your 5 kilowatt at a -3 design temperature is still a 5 kilowatt, and so on.
We've had a great experience with the installers up here installing this heat pump in rural Scotland. They like our new technology. Customers really happy with the heating and hot water. Really exceptional, and in this old farmhouse, it's never has been as warm.
So our cylinders come pre-wired and pre-plumbed, meaning a very simple and easy installation. And they also have a built-in buffer vessel, again, an easier install and saving space on install as well. So we also have the Halo RF thermostat control, again, easy installation with it being an RF thermostat, and also for the homeowner, it's very simple to operate.
Yeah, we've been partners with Ideal for many years. We needed partnerships where we can be supported going forward. Heat pump technology has advanced, the refrigerant gases has moved on. The Logic Air, we've been involved in the R&D, the design side of things, so we've got a finished product that's really, how it should be and what we wanted.
So as this property is 200 years old, and with the measures that 0800 Repair have taken, if the air source heat pump works here, which it does, it'll work anywhere. For further information on the Ideal Heating Logic Air air source heat pump, please contact your local representative.